Rain lashed the crumbling bell tower as I climbed the rotting spiral stairs, drawn by a dare and the promise of a view. Each step groaned underfoot. At the top, the bell, massive and ancient, hung silent, its surface etched with names. One, freshly carved, matched mine. The bell tolled, though no wind stirred. Shadows spilled from beneath it, coiling around my feet. I tried to run, but the stairs crumbled away, leaving only the gaping black below. The last thing I heard was my name, echoing in a chorus of desperate voices, as I vanished into the darkness where the forgotten are claimed.